Hey guys, if you have developed an Android application, there's a good chance that you've come across something known as Asynctask. You may have used them, implemented them, but if you're exactly wondering what and when to use Asynctask, you've come to the right place. So basically, every application installed on your phone has a process associated with it. And whenever an application is being launched, Android creates a separate thread called the main thread, which loads the UI components. This is also sometimes called as the UI thread. Almost every application today comes up with a necessity of making a network call to access or fetch data from a remote host or server. So we can make this network call from two different things. One is from the main thread or create a thread altogether, especially to make this network call. So first case, when the network call is being made from the main thread, we see that the main thread becomes unresponsive for the duration the network call is being executed. And this is not what we expect, and it's not quite feasible. The user may get frustrated and worry about what is happening to the application during this unresponsive duration. So looking at the second option which we have, creating a separate thread, a cursory look or glance at this particular option would see that we might have to create and manage our own threads, but this turns out to be quite overhead. But thankfully Android comes up with an addition known as Asynctask, which would help us handle and create these threads. So Asynctask allows you to perform background tasks on a separate thread and publish the results on a UI thread without you actually having to handle these threads manually. So in order for your application to use Asynctask, you might have to create a class that extends this Asynctask as shown on the board. Every Asynctask goes through basically 4 stages, starting with on pre-execute, do in background, on progress update, and on post execute. And this is all about the Asynctask and its basic concepts. Learning and knowing to use Asynctask is a useful skill in Android. Hope you guys learned something through this video. Thank you.